Recording in progress.
All right, everybody, welcome to a quick run through of BuilderComs here. I'm the founder, Ron Nussbaum. I'm gonna run you through a little bit, do a little Q&A on some of the frequently asked questions, but pretty much just give you a rundown of how the software works. So when you log in, right here's your dashboard. This is what you're going to see. You're going to be able to create a project from right here, or jump to any of your projects, completed projects, look at your active users, all that high level information right here. What we're going to do is we're going to jump into the projects. And then cruise down, you'll be able to see all your projects, completed projects, current projects. And if you want to create a project, we got the button right here to create one. You can go in there. From there, that is where you will enter in your customer details right here. Add that customer. They will automatically receive an email to go create their password, add a project name, any of the details that go with that, upload any pictures, documents, images, add any crew members you want to add to that project, and you can create it. Now, once that project is created, it will go into your project screen, which is right here. Let's go into this roof project and take a look at what a project actually looks like once it's in BuilderComs. So when you come in here, this is a high-level overview. I like to say this is like a Facebook, Instagram timeline right here. Shows you any information that's in the chat channels, as well as any crew information, any pictures or documents, anything that has been uploaded into this picture. It shows you in real time right here, as well as start date, any of the pictures that are associated with it. You can update the status from right here. Current, requested, completed, canceled projects. You can add an update right in here in a picture from your laptop, desktop, tablet, mobile phone, whatever kind of device you are using. But this is just your high-level overview of the project. Who's the crew assigned to it? What's going on with it? What are those communications that have happened? Now, when you go into the messaging, as you guys know, this is where the magic happens. This is what differentiates us from everybody, is we have these channels of communication. We make sure your customers are always talking to the right people. If they have that scheduling question, they're talking to that person that's in charge of that schedule. You can upload documents in here, as well as upload pictures directly in here. Any of these channels allowing you to do that. Whoops, I clicked out of that. See, here we go. Real-time live demo. This isn't pre-rehearsed. This is just me walking you through the program. Let's jump back into that messaging. So any one of these channels, give the access to whoever you would like. That's right over here. If you jump under users, you can add anybody in here in any kind of admin settings that you would like. So you just click create a user. That brings that up, put in their information, set a role. Is it a crew member? Is it just a user? What kind of admin settings would you like them to have? You pick and choose what they can see and what they cannot see. Now let's jump back in them projects. Go back in that roofing project. Now to add pictures in from here, this little edit button, you can utilize this to add in more than one picture at a time. If you just want to add in, say, one picture, you can create that update and do it that way. But to add multiples in at one time, right up here, do all of that information as well. So let's go into the project details. This right here, you're going to see all supporting documents over here. You can download all those. You can add documents, project information, the customer's name, email address, all of that. You can come right in here. Once again, edit what this project is called, any of the pictures, add and edit the crew members to it, who exactly is on this project. And now, as being the owner, you have control of everything. So you can come in, and at any point in time, you can come in here and see all your communications throughout your company. We have made this keyword searchable. I like to use the example of you collect upon completion. What you're hearing is, hey, we'll get you a check in a couple weeks. You come in here, type in final payment. You find out that Jimmy's telling guys that it's a net 30. So this gives you an opportunity to have that training with Jimmy and get everything back on the right pages. It gives you access to communication that you've never had before, because we're unifying it. We're getting your team, your customers, and your company on the same page. We're getting all your communication, pictures, documents, and videos, and we're getting rid of the he said, she said bullshit that just runs rampant throughout the residential construction space. So I'm Ron Nussbaum. I'm the founder. I spent 13 years in residential construction, and this is now what I do. I built this software out to be in service of the industry. Feel free to go on BuilderComs.com. Find me on LinkedIn, Facebook, anywhere. Don't hesitate to message us, reach out. You can contact us via the website. Our phone number's on there, as well as feel free to reach out to team@buildercoms.com. If you have any questions, do not hesitate. We are here to build the #1 communication platform for the construction industry. Have a great day.